our signatories to proceed on stage. Representing the Department of Science and Technology, we have DOST Undersecretary Dr. Sancho A. Maborang. And representing the Department of Tourism, we have Honorable Verna Esmeralda C. Buensuqueso, DOT Undersecretary for Tourism Development Planning. Joining them are the witnesses on behalf of Dr. Maria Josefina P. Abilay, Regional Director of DOST Mimaropa. We have Assistant Regional Director Jeffrey Varela. And for DOT, we have Assistant Secretary Warner M. Andrada, Assistant Secretary for Tourism Development. For the Turista application. Our signatories to please raise your copies of the MOA for the photo taking.